up, guys? Received a package to help me processing aluminum cans instead of using my foot. Catch my drift? So what we're going to do is we're just going to do package opening. Then what I'll do is set this up. We'll do a review of the product, and then what I'll do is just set this up and do a video using this item here. So let's get to it. Okay, let's get this package open. Not doing damage. Need a new razor blade. Okay, I think we're open good enough. Oh boy. Nope. They really packaged this good. Many layers. Many layers. Hold on, guys. Bear with me. Double packaging here. I think we got it though. Oh, okay. See it in there? You see it, guys? This is real. Let's see if we get this out of here. Oh, boy. Alright, something green here. Let me look at this, guys, real quick. Here's their website, guys. If you want to order this, here's the website right here. If you can read that, it's First Web Sales on eBay. First Web Sales on eBay. Got that, guys? That's where I purchased this product. And they also have First Web Sales website. So that's where you could also buy this item. But if you want to get in touch with them, here's their email. You could ask them for a link, and they'll send you a link to this item. They even sent me $100 wine voucher for Naked Wines. Something like that. This thing's awesome. Look at this, got soft handle. A little too small for my hand. I don't know, I got fairly big hand, so yeah, maybe it's really tight for me, but I might be able to make it better. See, they just have something here. I could put a bolt and a thing. I can spread this out a little bit and make it a little bit bigger, or we'll just use it like it is. So this is a 16-ounce can crusher. Pro USA. Makes recycling easy. Sturdy 16 gauge heavy duty steel construction. Foam rubber grip handle, which I just showed you. Aluminum construction with cushion grip handle. Again, I showed you that. 4 screw holes and screws for mounting. So basically what this is, guys, you got a 16-ounce can here. You could do 12-ounce and 16-ounce. And if you had a block in here, you could do, minis. So if I get a mini, I'll show you. And just pull the lever and it crushes the can. And it's also a bottle opener. So if you're drinking while you're crushing, yeah, you got a bottle opener right here on the can crusher itself. I'd rather if it was just 100%, just steel with no bottle opener on it, but it is what it is. It's about $15 with tax. It's selling for, see, before regular cans up here, then after all crushed. So it's selling for about $14.99. So it's like $1.50 tax, so it'll be a little over 15, but not too bad. It's going to do a job real good. So I'm going to open up. We'll take a look at the inside. Okay, guys, so here's the item itself. It's just a lever action. You pull this lever down and it moves this down and it crushes the can. So you get an arm workout as well. Now, they noticed that eBay has the electric ones, like $100. So I went with this one because I want an arm workout, not raise my electric bill. So yeah, I don't want to really do this on the glass, guys, but you pull the lever. Okay guys, so the whole purpose of this is to pull this lever down and crush a can. Now on the next video, I'm going to show you that happening. It's got 3 mountain screws there and a mountain screw there. It's kind of heavy duty. I don't know how the rivets are, if the rivets last or if it scratches easy. I have no idea, guys, but for 15 bucks you could always buy another one, right? Comes with mounting hardware. Look at this, guys. Comes with the screws. 4 screws. Pretty cool. Not bad. I'm very happy with the item so far. I thought this would be a hard handle here, not a soft handle, but we'll see how it holds up. I could always put a dowel in there if I needed to, but let's see how it holds up for now. And I'm going to work on mounting this and getting it set up for can crushing. Okay guys, so that's going to be my next video, and I'll leave a link down the video where you could get one of these. I don't know if it's going to be a link or the name of the store on eBay, something like that, because I don't want to show my personal information on YouTube, on eBay. I mean, so you just basically go on eBay, guys, type in can crusher and a whole bunch will come up. Look for this guy here. It'll be First Web Sales on YouTube. First Web Sales on YouTube. First Web, and that's where you find this and get your own card. So it came fairly quick, within a week I'd say.